In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform with Zapier. We're going to set up the foundation of an automation that starts when something happens in Paperform, like a new form submission. By the end, you'll be ready to plug this trigger into any workflow you want. Make sure you're logged into Zapier and that you have access to the correct workspace before we begin. First, head to your Zapier home. This is your dashboard where all automations live. If you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one so the Zap is created in the proper place. It helps to have a Paperform form ready, ideally with at least one recent submission, so Zapier can pull in meaningful sample data later. Next, click the Create button. Depending on your view, this may appear at the top or in the sidebar. You'll see a few options for different automation types. Choose the option to create a Zap. A Zap is Zapier's standard step-by-step automation made up of a trigger and one or more actions. The Zap editor opens with the trigger panel at the top. This is where you define what starts your Zap. Click the field that prompts you to select the event that starts your Zap. You'll see a search bar for apps. Type Paperform into the search. Zapier will list matching apps as you type. Look for the official Paperform app and select it. This links your trigger to Paperform so Zapier can listen for events from your forms. Now, choose your trigger event. Common options include events like when a new form submission is received. Pick the event that aligns with how you want your automation to start. If you aren't sure, new submission is typically the best default because it fires each time someone completes your form. With the event selected, it's time to connect your Paperform account. Click to sign in or connect. A secure window will open, guiding you through authentication. Follow the prompts to allow Zapier access to your Paperform workspace. If you manage multiple Paperform workspaces, make sure you pick the one that contains the form you want to use, grant only the permissions necessary, and confirm the connection when prompted. Zapier will show your connected account, and you can rename it for clarity if you like. That's it for the setup. You've selected the Zap type, chosen Paperform as the trigger app, picked the appropriate trigger event, and securely connected your Paperform account. From here, you can continue by selecting the specific form and then building the rest of your workflow with actions in apps like email, spreadsheets, or CRMs.